Hey guys, what's up? So as you can see, it's another beautiful morning and we got the Miata out and we're gonna go check out another car meet. That's right. I'm very excited to go to this one. It should be really good, so let's go check it out. Look at some cars. Hey, what's up guys? So we're out here at the car meet here in the morning. There's a GR Corolla. So we're out here checking out some cars. We parked in a nice spot. So let's go walk around. All right guys, so we're out here and the first car I'm looking at is this GR Corolla here, which I've been wanting to see in person. Looks really good. The hood has more bolstering than I imagined. Some of these photos you can't see. Stock wheels, big old brakes, so it's the performance pack. And the body lines actually look really good in person. The paint looks cheap as hell. Look at the roadster here. The width of the car looks fine, but I don't know. For a small family, I guess you'll be all right. Someone with kids or something should be fine. I don't know, man. I've always wanted an Evo, so this is the contender. I don't know, man. I really like that car. This is the Veloster in right here, which also looks really nice. Has a small little proportions, nice hood vents, big tires, big brakes. I think this looks really good in person. Carbon fiber wing. They blew all that stuff on my car. That's why they're standing there talking. This is nice. So guys, the cool thing about this meet is that like it's literally just open. As you can see, there's no DJs or nothing like that. It's literally just open in these art and store plazas, and you could just see there's some cars right here. Here's a S14 Zinky or Kuki, I don't fucking know. One of them ones. Then you got the R35 right here. Big carbon out the butt. Next to this silver McLaren. I have no idea what McLaren this is. Oh, 720S. I do not know my exotics as far as my JDM cars, but this thing looks nice. You can make some nice barbecue on here in the back of this thing. Alcantara dash. There's a nice Porsche across the street. Oh, we got a hardtop S2000 hidden gem over here. Look at this, away from everybody. Nice gritty dual pipe BBS. Looks like some they got regular brakes on here. Solid, nice blue. Sorry, excuse me. Cricket. There's a cricket on it. Guys, this is clean, man. This is a badass 2K. Oh my gosh, look at this. Kelly Moss GT2 out here. Look at this. F355. Beauty. What the hell is going on this weekend? That's nice too. That thing sounds so good. It sounds super healthy. Let's get this shot real quick. Don't want to get in nobody's business, but there we go. Classic MG Roadster. Then we got a nice Porsche GT4. This thing is nice. Damn. Fully redone, upholstered, and it has a digital tach. I'm not Babe, get out of the shot, please.
Babe, get out of the shot, please.
All you see are your Crocs in every shot. Sorry, guys. My wife is in every shot with her Crocs. That dog looks like a wolf. Look, baby, look, looks like a wolf. This is another MG. I can't tell. Looks like an MG. All right, guys, we got a Fiat here. Roadster. Little bitty Steelies. Guys, that's old school. It gets up to 120? Jesus. It's pretty nice. It's a bunch of pretty cool cars in this lot. This M5 BMW. These are just like some vintage cars. Let's find some imports. Got some Torenos. American. AE 92. Kind of looks like the SR5 body. I think this is the SR5 body. Sorry. It might be SR5 body. I don't know. I can't tell. This one might be. No, this one's left-hand drive too. Drift cars. Where?
That will come and do charges on the side of the road for electric cars. Oh, that's an interesting. Yeah.
This is a Testarossa.
Generator, and he's got like 12 trucks already. In Dubai, they have these.
When do you see a Testarossa parked next to an EK?
I don't even know what it costs to charge it. Like,
That's funny.
pull up and put your card in. Is it by the hour? By the.
All right, guys, we got the Tommy Mackinnon Evo here. The ultimate dream for any rally fan with the Yankees. I'm sorry. I just butt bumped somebody. I cannot get the interior. There we go. I just want you guys to see the seats. Baby seat in the back. This car should be like in the middle of the street. Literally. Tommy Mackinnon Evo. Left-hand drive, which is crazy, which is blowing my mind. Left-hand drive. Take a photo of this. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this one's supercharged. It was supercharger. Supercharged NSX. Look at the fur seats.
That looks like it's hot.
Excuse me. We're outside of this MR2. Look at the NRGCs. Nice front lip, drill slot brakes, hardtop. Look at this Impala here. Today was a good day or what? Literally reminds me of the Ice Cube video. Oh my gosh, look at this interior. That's insane. Look at the interior. On slicks. It's on some freaking slicks, man. Super clean.
I'm not allowed in the shop.
What's up? Bone stock Del Sol, slept on heavily. My favorite part about the Del Sol is the seats. They actually have bolstering, unlike any other Civic during this era. And this is a real SI because it has the B16, beautiful B16, as I must say. This car is heavily slept on. I can't tell if that's an 8 or a 2. No, it's a B16. B16 A2. Bone stock, man. This is beautiful. This is probably one of the most impressive cars I've seen out here. Just to see it's all stock. I know all them other Hondas are mad. Them EFs and stuff. Because they work so hard to build all these cars, but this is original, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is how it came from Japan, from the factory, from, you know.
What's
beautiful.
What's the V16?
S13 Super High Cast Sylvia. We gotta go look at that. This RX-7 right-hand drive right here. Love the seats in this thing. Whew. Talk about rotary. Dude, these things are a pain to keep running. Look at this coil rat radiator just dangling. It's not even like, it doesn't even look like it's mounted right.
Yeah.
Where's the engine? If you actually look at it.
Yeah.
That's crazy how these rotary motors work. All right, guys, that's it for the beautiful meet. We are getting out of here. It was so fun. I hope you guys enjoy this quick video. I don't even know how much footage I actually got. It was kind of just quick glances of these cars. But hopefully the next one we're able to go in more detail. Getting ready for work. But I'll try to post some more. I'll see you later, guys. Thank you. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! All right, that's all we got.